Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Madam Glam swatch video. So I could pick 5 colours. So these are the 5 that I have picked. So I have picked this one, which is Cotton Tail. I've also picked a Lime, a Lemon Pie, and also Playa and Purple Haze. So I'm going to do the swatch video today, and then I shall do a design using these, just because I like to get a feel for you know, how they are. At least then I have an idea what I want to do. So I do have a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam. I will have it on the screen, and it's always in the description box, and I'll have it at the end as well. And also they have the VIP as well. So yeah, I do have a direct link in my description box, which will take you straight to the website and apply the code straight away. You just check out as pay as you go. So yeah, as I was saying, so this is like kind of like an off-white color. I do like a nice off-white. So yeah, I will just swatch these, and as you know, Madam Glam is such a good quality gel polishes, and they level so nice, and they take 30 seconds in an LED light, and they take 60 seconds in a UV. So that is the first coat. So this is our Lime, which is a gorgeous pastel green. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'll have to do a design with these. So oh, it's really pretty, really pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let me know if you have any of these colours down below. It's really pretty, and they go on so nicely. Really nicely. So that is one coat. My lighting seems very bright today. So that's one coat there. And then we shall move on to Lemon Pie, which is a pastel yellow. Really pretty. I do like pastel colours. It's really pretty. I will apply a second coat, and I will do that off camera, and then I will top them all off, and then we will move on to some designs. Yeah, I will have got something in there. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, so that's the first coat. It's a really pretty pastel yellow. It's really nice. So next, this is a Playa. Now I heard that these are quite sheer, but I do have a design in mind for these two, so they could work to your advantage. Yeah, it is quite sheer, but that would be really pretty for what I have in mind to do. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the first coat. It's really pretty. Let's see. That's the first coat there. It's really pretty. I really like that. So that's the first coat of that one, and then this is Purple Haze. I had to get a purple one. I had to. I think I should get a couple more of their purple ones, because I really like the purple ones. This looks like it's a bit more solid, a bit more thicker consistency. Oh, it looked like in the ball. But I reckon these are most definitely going to work for what I have in mind. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag yet. I do have a few different designs in mind for all of these. So that's the first coat there. It's really pretty, really pretty. So I will cure these for 30 seconds and then I will apply the second coat, and then I will come back and show you them. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, they've all had 2 coats and I've topped them off with the Madam Glam glossy top coat. This top coat does cure with a tacky layer, so just take some isopropyl alcohol and just rub it off. So that is 2 coats of cotton tail, which doesn't want to focus. So that is 2 coats there. Beautiful. Seems very bright in here today, doesn't it? I bet if I turn that a bit, I don't know. So that was cottontail. Next one is I Lime You. So this is 2 coats of I Lime You. Really pretty, really pretty. 2 coats of Lemon Pie. Beautiful. Oh. And then we have 2 coats of Playa, which built it up really nicely. I mean, if you wanted to, you could put a 3rd coat on, but it's really pretty, really pretty. Definitely like that one. And then this is a purple haze, and as you can see, that is 2 coats as well. Really pretty. I absolutely love these colours. They are really nice. So thank you once again, Madam Glam, for sending me these out. Can't wait to have a proper play with them. So I will post pictures at the end. I will post glossy and matte pictures, and you know, a couple of bold shots as well, because I do it for Instagram anyway. So yeah, I will include them in the video. Let me know down below if you have these. Let me know which ones you want me to use first. I do have a design in mind for using these 2, but if you'd rather see the other colours first, let me know, and that's not a problem. And yeah, don't forget, if you do place an order, use my discount code. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully you will join me in the next one. Until then, take care, bye.